I'm gonna give these guys some lollipops that I just got from the bank. Hey yo! Hey yo, how you doing?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
What's going on?
I got you some lollipops. You want some?
Just one. The
Okay,
green one.
take it. No.
No, that's good. Thanks.
You think Eric would like to have a lollipop too? I'll give him to him. You think
Yeah,
he'll
give it
want
to
one?
him.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
he likes
Why are
lollipops.
you shaking so much?
I don't know. It might be. I don't know. Why? Do I look like I'm shaking?
A little bit.
Maybe
yeah.
the chemicals are starting to get to me.
Might be.
Yeah. I don't
You
know.
can shut that thing off, by the way.
It's not on.
I know it's on. I know it's on.
Is it still out there?
The guys on the floor of water.
Dude, turn it off.
I brought some lollipops for you guys.
Turn it off, dude.
Here. No, come on. Here. I brought a lollipop. Where you going? I brought you got a lollipop.
I want your lollipop.
Come on, here's a lollipop.